Unlink that your Gmail account from any third-party application or links you have subscribed to with that your Gmail account for the safety of that your Gmail account. If by now you have subscribed to any third-party application or link with that very Gmail, I want you to understand that it is not safety. For the safety of that Gmail account, I'm going to walk you through the process on how to unlink your Gmail account from those third-party applications. So stick to this video and watch it to the end so that you will not make any mistake at all.
Head over to this Google here and click it for me. It will take you to this place. Head over to this very profile icon and then click it for me. Do you see this very Google account? Click inside it. Then it will take you to this place. Slide to security and then click it for me. It will take you to this place. What you need to do is just to scroll to your connection to third-party apps and services. Okay, now come over to this place. Click on see all connection. Allow it to load. Now these are the few apps that are connected to this particular email account. Okay, let's say I want to remove my email account from this photo room. Click on that very point down arrow and then scroll up. Come over to this very point down arrow. Once you click on this confirm, now your email account will be removed from that very particular application database. Do you understand? Now before you go ahead to do this, make sure that you are no longer interested in using the service of that very particular application, okay, before you go ahead to disconnect yourself, because once you are done with this, there is no business between you and that application again. So help me share to educate others and see you in my next video. Bye.